If you are a freelancer, you already know the hardest part is not doing the work, it's getting the work. You spend a lot of time scrolling through Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn and a lot more. You keep outreaching clients every day and still no replies. But there is a free AI tool that can help you find high quality clients, write customized proposals and even alert you instantly when new projects drop. This video is about Bisdev, a powerful AI browser extension that can literally act as your freelancing assistant. Let me show you how to set it up, use it and start finding clients faster than ever. So first, what is Bisdev AI? It's a free browser extension that helps freelancers find clients, gigs and projects in real time. It can scan websites on internet like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn and a lot more. It can write personalized proposals for you. It alerts you the moment a new relevant job post appears. And the best part is that it customizes your resume or portfolio automatically for every project. It's like having a full-time business development guy but powered with AI. Let me show you how to install and use it in 2 minutes. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Bisdev. Then click Add to Chrome and pin it to your browser toolbar. And then simply open the extension and you can sign in with Google. Once you are in, it will ask you a few things. Like what's your freelancing skill, web development, UI UX, content writing or whatever. It can also ask you what platforms you prefer and your preferred hourly rate or budget range. Then it will personalize everything based on your input. Let's say I'm a freelance front-end developer looking for remote jobs. I just open Bisdev AI and type, find me a freelancing job based in Kashmir with $15 per hour rate. And within seconds it shows me active job listings. Then I click on a project and instead of writing a proposal from scratch, I can ask it, write the proposal for me. And it writes a fully personalized proposal based on my experience, the client's job description and any past projects I have uploaded. You can send custom fit proposals in seconds and here is the best part. Bisdev AI also gives you real-time job alerts. Let's say a client posts a job on LinkedIn, Upwork or anywhere that matches your profile. You will get instant notification before anyone else. This first mover advantage is everything. The better you customize this agent, you will get things more relevant to you. If you are tired of chasing clients the old way, this tool can make a huge difference. Bisdev AI helps you find better clients faster, save hours for writing proposals, customize your resume and portfolio for each job, and stay one step ahead with instant alerts. The link to download the extension is in the description. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it works for you. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tools like this. Thank you.